I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your MLBB UID and server so credits land in the right account. Once done, scratch or open the card to reveal the code and double-check it visually. Make sure your device is online and the game client updated. Connectivity problems cause failed redemptions. Now navigate to the official top-up portal or in-game store, select the card or gift code option, and be ready to paste or type the code exactly as shown. Next, paste or carefully type the code into the redemption field and verify each character. Small mistakes block the process. Once entered, choose the platform confirmation. In-game redemption is fastest. Web portal works if the client misbehaves, and partner apps may require login. Submit and wait for the processing message. Redeems often complete in seconds but can take a few minutes. Then open MLBB, refresh your profile, and verify that diamonds or items appear in your balance. Finally, use the credited diamonds to buy skins, bundles, or event items. Make purchases while the offer is active. If your balance didn't update, first check transaction history and any confirmation emails. Delays or partial credits are often logged. If still unresolved, capture screenshots of the code, purchase receipt, and your UID, then contact official support or the vendor. A single troubleshooting tip: do not retry redeeming the same code. Instead, escalate with proof to avoid accidental double charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.